One stock in focus today is News Corp. It's trading higher in an upgrade by RBC Capital Markets to top pick from outperform. Analyst David Bank saying that the stock has the potential to return about $15 billion in capital, more than a third of its market cap, to shareholders in the next 3 or so years. Driving that upside is the eventual cancellation of The Simpsons. That's right, the end of America's longest-running sitcom, it's been around for 23 seasons, means windfall profits from News Corp from syndicating the show on cable and also striking some new rerun deals with local stations. Bank predicts this will add up to $500 million in after-tax profits for News Corp. Plus, Fox is going to stop paying an estimated $5 million per episode. At that price, the show is reportedly no longer profitable. Chase Carey, News Corp's deputy chairman, has even discussed the potential of starting a cable network just for Simpsons reruns. So I think the question now is, with all the negative Murdoch news that's been weighing on the stock, is this an overlooked opportunity?
Yeah, I mean, it's interesting. I hope the Simpsons doesn't end anytime soon. I still think it's a great show. And we should point out, it's not necessarily going to end with this year.
Certainly, yeah.
It's coming to its end.
It's expected the next couple of years.
But it is an interesting point. Of course, this return of capital is something they seized on in those dark days when the hacking scandal was at its height, and they announced that much improved buyback, which they have followed through on to a certain extent, haven't they, Julia?
Yeah, they absolutely have. It's been a big hot topic right now in media stocks, this idea of returning capital to shareholders. But I think one thing we have to look for in 2012 is what's going to happen in terms of succession. Are we going to see Chase Carey replace Rupert Murdoch? Are we going to see James Murdoch stick around? I mean, how long do you think he's going to be at the company?
I don't know. Some would have thought that he might have already had seen the exit to a certain extent, given how closely he's been linked to the hacking scandal. It's not over yet.
Yeah.
There may be yet another chapter to come here. Of course, nothing says Mr. Murdoch Sr., Rupert, is ready
he's not on his way out
he's only 80, right?
Yeah.
So, we will see. But it's certainly going to be an interesting story.
I wonder if you can really look at News Corp stock without wondering about succession and about wondering who this company's going to be run by a year from now. Because, I mean, this stock has just been slammed by the hacking scandal issues, and they've been doing their best to distract from that with, the stock buybacks, et cetera. But
right. No, and at the end of the day, listen, the cable networks are strong, and FX has had a relatively strong year. The studio, people expect, is going to be better in 12 than it was in 11, but a lot of it's about the cable networks. Fox News, obviously, a part of that. They've been churning it out. We'll see, though, what happens with this.
Certainly one to watch.
Yes, no doubt about it.